Did you know that behind every purchase you make and every item you sell, there's a whole story? Today, we'll uncover the secret and take a look at the world of economics through the prism of two powerful forces: supply and demand. Let's dive into this puzzle together and explore how these simple yet powerful concepts affect each and every one of us. Imagine yourself at a bustling marketplace where thousands of people buy and sell various goods and services every day. Now, imagine you can peek behind the scenes and see how every transaction unfolds. That's precisely what we'll talk about today: the two forces that determine prices and sales volumes at this marketplace. These forces, supply and demand, are like two players battling on the field for your attention and your wallet. Demand is what makes people want to buy something. Supply is what makes those things available for sale. Imagine you want to buy a pastry at the marketplace. If everyone wants to buy pastries, but if there are only a few left, you might be willing to pay more for it. That's high demand. But if pastries are piled up on the counter and sellers are practically begging you to take something, the price is likely to be low. Now, let's imagine you're good at making amazing designs on t shirts and selling them at the marketplace. If you have a lot of such t shirts with designs, you can sell them at a good price. But if you've decided to make only a couple of t shirts, the supply will be limited and the price for them might go up. So, supply and demand are like two magical forces constantly competing with each other, creating a fascinating dance of prices at the marketplace of life. And understanding this dance can help us make smarter decisions in our everyday lives.